हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैचलर्स ऑफ बॉटनी। अगर आप बॉटनी में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। आपको बॉटनी से रिलेटेड सारी वीडियो इस चैनल पर मिलती रहेंगी।
Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the classification of fungi given by Ainsworth. In our previous video we have already discussed this classification in which we have seen that we have given kingdom Mycota and it has two divisions, Myxomycota and Eumycota. Then division Myxomycota has four classes: Acrylomycete, Hydromyxomycete, Myxomycete, Plasmodiophoromycete. And then in division Eumycota we have five subdivision: Masticomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina and Deuteromycotina. So let us see the characters of these division and classes one by one. Kingdom Mycota. The important features are free living, parasitic, mutualistic symbionts devoid of chlorophyll. So this is the basic character. Then cell wall composition is very variable, majorly contain chitin and glucan. Then reserve food material are oil, mannitol and glycogen. Except some unicellular members, majority of are filamentous. Then let us see division Myxomycota. These are wall-less organisms, possess either a plasmodium. Plasmodium is a mass of naked multinuclear protoplasm having amoeboid movement, or a pseudoplasmodium, an aggregation of separate amoeboid cells. ठीक है? Both are of slimy consistency, hence slime molds. These two are have slimy consistency, then they are called slime molds. There are four classes in this division: Acrylomycetes, Hydromyxomycetes, Myxomycete and Plasmodiophoromycetes. The Acrylomycetes have cellular slime molds, then Hydromyxomycetes net slime molds, Myxomycetes are true slime molds and Plasmodiophoromycetes are endoparasitic slime molds. Then let us see division second, that is Eumycota, which has five subdivisions. So Eumycota are true fungi, all with walls. The subdivision Masticomycotina is motile cells, zoospores present, perfect state spore, oospore. Then it has three classes: Chytridiomycetes, Hypochytridiomycetes, and Oomycetes. This is Oomycetes. Okay. So chytridiomycetes are unicellular zoospores with single whiplash flagellum. Hypochytridiomycetes are again unicellular zoospores with single tinsel flagellum, and oomycetes are aseptate mycelium zoospores with two flagella. Then subdivision Zygomycotina. These are mycelium aseptates. Perfect state spore is zygospore. There are two classes, zygomycetes and trichomycetes, which include mycelium immersed in true host tissue, and second is mycelium not immersed in the host tissue. Then we see the third subdivision, Ascomycotina. These are yeast or septate mycelium. Perfect state spore is ascospores, which are formed in ascus, usually within ascocarp. It has class Hemiascomycetes, that is no ascocarp, SIR naked. Then
Loculoascomycetes,
these are fruiting body Ascostroma, SI.
bitunicate, that means two-walled.
Then third class Plectomycetes, this floating body is Clistothecium, SI.
Unitunicate, one-walled.
Then class Labobinomycetes, then it has fruiting body Perithecium, SI is unitunicate, and exoparasite of arthropods. Then class 5th, Pyranomycetes, its fruiting body is Perithecium, SI is unitunicate, not parasitic or arthropod. Then class 6, Discomycetes, its fruiting body is called Apothecium, SIR unitunicate, that is single walled. Then we have the fourth subdivision, Basidiomycotina. These are yeast or septate mycelium. Perfect state spore is Basidiospore, formed in Basidium. Class which have teleomycetes, the basidiocarp lacking teliospores grouped in sori or scattered within the host tissue. They are parasitic or vascular plant. Then second class is hymenomycetes. In this basidiocarp is present. Hymenium is completely or partially exposed at maturity. Basidiospores are basilospores. Then class third, this is
Casteromycetes.
in this basidiocarp is present. Hymenium enclosed in basidiocarp. Basidiospore not basilospore. Then fifth subdivision, that is last one, it is Deuteromycotina or fungi imperfecti. In this yeast or septate mycelium, perfect state unknown. Class is Blastomycetes, which have budding yeast or yeast-like cells with or without pseudomycelium, true mycelium lacking or not well developed. Then the second is hyphomycetes. In this, mycelia are sterile or bearing asexual spores directly on or on conidiophore in various aggregations. Then third class coelomycetes. In this, mycelium asexual spores formed in pycnidium or acervolus. So that's all for this video. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक करिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए. चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइए ताकि आपको मेरी हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, पीस.